Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're whipping up a super quick and delicious dinner, homemade tacos with a DIY taco seasoning that's way better than anything you'll find in a packet. Whether you're doing taco night or looking for a low-carb taco salad option, I've got you covered. This taco seasoning is made with some simple spices that you probably already have. Here's what you will need. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon oregano, half a teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Just mix those all together and you've got a seasoning blend that'll store for up to 6 months. Then brown 1 pound of ground beef, and you can add 2 tablespoons of the spice mixture to about 3/4 to a cup of water, or adjust it to your taste. Pour the spice mixture into the ground beef, stir everything together and let it simmer until the water cooks down. This could take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Now comes a fun part, building your tacos. I'm using some keto-friendly arrowroot tortillas I got from Costco, but you can use anything you want. We're going to start off with a layer of sour cream on the bottom. And if you want a recipe, there's a recipe for the sour cream on my channel as well. Then I'll add a layer of seasoned ground beef. Then some shredded cheddar cheese. Then some chopped tomatoes. And some fresh leafy lettuce. And there you have it, 2 homemade tacos. And for a lower carb option, you can just pile everything onto a bed of greens and you've got a delicious taco salad. Same flavor, but with a lot less carbs. And there you go, taco salad as well. And you can just top these up with any of your favorite salsas or sauces that you like. And that's it. Dinner is ready in under 30 minutes and packed with flavor. Let me know in the comments, are you a taco or taco salad person?